I walk into the room, thumb hooked on my belt. Everybody looks up when I walk in. I tip my hat just a little. Some little guy over in the corner says, "Who are you, mister?" I wink at him. They call me Lucky. In the quiet of the night, there's a whispered breeze. The cowboy who rides where the shadows breathe. The saloon doors creak, the lights play low. Something about his presence makes the whole room glow. Whiskey breath in the air, the tension lingers still. He raises the brim, oh, there's a look hard as steel. Every eye on the stranger, curiosity's heat. He moves through the crowd, calm and complete. Boots dusted with stories, bandana tucked tight. He strolls through the shadows, wrapped in the night. Thumb hooked over leather, his spurs softly jingle. The patrons go silent, the whispers all mingle. Whiskey breath in the air, the tension lingers still. He raises the brim, oh, there's a look hard as steel. Every eye on the stranger, curiosity's heat. He moves through the crowd, calm and complete. They call him Lucky, he's the man of the hour. He rides like a shadow, leaves a whisper of power. One drink, one song, then he's bound for the sky. When he takes off his hat, there's a look in his eye. He's a memory, a feeling you never forget. The smile, the white stallion, you're caught in his net. The laughter is distant. The night takes a breath as the clock ticks softly, echoing death. They call me Lucky, I'm the man of the hour. I ride like a shadow, I leave a whisper of power. One drink, one song, then I'm bound for the sky. When I take off my hat, there's a look in my eye. I'm a memory, a feeling you'll never forget. The smile, the white stallion, you're caught in my net. Chasing the sunset where the lost souls roam. His heart beats in rhythm with the coyotes' moan. Never stays too long, he'll break like the dawn. An echo in the desert, whispering move on. As the wind plays his name, Lucky fades from sight. A flicker in the shadows, riding into the night. His legend grows brighter under the starlit dawn. You know in your heart he'll never find home. In the quiet of the night, Lucky's ride goes on. A ghost on